Okay, here is a very simple demo demonstrating how you could use some of the standard mechanism of Inventor to generate your file names automatically based on always on the same part. I created a very simple sheet metal part here, and let me just demonstrate one very simple detail about this one. So this one contains two parameters called width and height, and I define these parameters as key. Those are the parameters that I plan to modify. They could be user parameter. In this case, they are model parameter. So let me just close that. And let's see what we have in our workspace. I have an assembly file called assembly2, and I have the master, which is called this part. And now let's use the place iLogic component instead of the place tool. So even if my component is not really an iLogic component, I can use it, place this part, click open, and the file will be open, and I will be popped up with a parameter dialog box containing only the key parameter if I have defined some. Let's define, let's say 15 by 10, click OK. So it will place one copy of the part into my actual assembly document. But not only that, it will also generate a new file name, part-01. That will be the real file name of this new occurrence. So if I use the place iLogic component again, and I always restart with the master component, the next one that will be inserted in my assembly, let's define, let's say 24 by 36, and click OK. So the next occurrence will be inserted in my assembly, and if I go back again in my folder, it will be generated with a new -02 file name. So you can always restarting from the master component. If you use the place iLogic instead of the place component, your file naming scheme will be automatically managed by Inventor, and of course you will be able to generate your part with their proper dimension very quickly. So once you're done with that, you can go back to the add-ins tab and specify your options, click the extract button, then go back to the folder and see the result. You should have something like two DXF files generated automatically. Thank you very much.